Here we are in one of our oldest blocks, a Cabernet Sauvignon, it's a clone 007. This is on a rootstock 3309C. These plants here are a 1-year-old planting that was done last May in 2024. As you can see, they've grown very well. Our soils here are very good for growing. We've done a lot of amending to them to help achieve a good pH and organic matter balance in them. As you can see, we do a little herbicide treatment for under the vines. We tried to let the natural weeds and grasses grow in between just to promote pollination. As you can see, we've got a carpenter bee there doing some pollinating for us. We are in bud break right now. I'm just going through, getting rid of a couple things that I missed during pruning, checking out some of our bud break that we have going on. We're in the first week of April right now, 2025. Most of these plants, like this one and this one, are a 10-year-old plant coming into the 10th year that we've had. As you can see, they look a little scraggly and scroungy, but that's because we've made some mistakes and we've learned from those mistakes over the years. We are on a VSP trellis system here. Plant spacing is 4 foot, and we cane prune currently. These 10-year-old plants have been through cane pruning, spur pruning, back to cane pruning, a little bit of in between everywhere. As you can see, we do have quite a few new plants, 1-year-old vines here that we were able to trunk this year, but we do have a couple that didn't produce a very good trunk for us last year, so they were too budded, and we will try and get a trunk from them this year.